Hello and welcome back to part 8 of my backyard renovation. Today my pops and I are going to be fixing up our old fountain, replacing the water pump, as well as removing some bricks around the old putting green. So pre-warning, all the audio and the clips that I've included in this video are terrible. I decided to buy a really cheap lavalier microphone and it turned out horrendous. So forgive me ahead of time. I learned my lesson. I'm ordering new lav mics. You're just gonna have to deal with it this video. Sorry. So first I had to replace this old non-working wall plug. So after a little trial and error, I got it installed and working properly. You'll notice some PVC protruding from the side of the deck as well as near the plug. Years ago we routed that in there to provide power to the pump. So next I'm going to replace the actual plug that goes into the wall, as well as splice in the new pump.
This one doesn't have a cover. Drop it. Drop it. Drop it. Drop it. I don't think so. Because I was pulling on it, you're like missing.
The hose we had on hand was too small. The actual inner diameter was smaller than the fittings that were originally on the pump and the fountain itself. So we decided to heat it up and just fit it on. And it worked great.
Cause I found out. Oh man. I found out. Oh man. I found out. Oh
that?
Wire in there? Too tight?
Barking tree spiders, man.
Dang it, tree talks.
It said, what?
You'll probably notice that my pumps wires are different colors than my extension cord wires. And if you know house wiring, then this will be relative. The brown wire is your hot wire, the blue wire is your negative or return, the green with the yellow stripe is the ground. Looking back at it, I should have staggered my solder points so that the heat shrink created a better seal, but being that this won't be directly exposed to the elements, it's not that crucial.
Okay, here goes nothing. Now moving on to the bricks, we need to clear this entire area out for it will eventually be filled with either long turf or putting surface.
Making with jive boy, say shine. When it hits you, yes, 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 you shall. When it hits you, yes, indeed. Yes. When it hits you, yes, indeed. Yes, you shall. When it hits you, yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. Yes, you holler. Yes, indeed.
1, 2, 3.
Removing this old green will be probably the hardest part of the entire backyard, strictly due to its weight. This thing is incredibly heavy. It has several hundred pounds of sand that was originally brushed into it, as well as dirt that's accumulated over the years. Now this stuff is tough to cut. We could use a razor blade, but we'd probably go through dozens of blades before we were able to cut it up into manageable squares. That being said, we decided to call it a night and enjoy our fire pit instead.